Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have a cloudy morning to start the day with an overcast deck around 1,400 feet. I'm expecting a drier day today before we get another disturbance to move into the area as we get into the weekend. Take a look at the current surface analysis. Excuse me. We do have that boundary that's sitting to our south. That's the boundary that's been lingering around in the region. That will begin to lift north as we get an area of low pressure develop along that boundary, and that will be the disturbance that brings us some disturbed weather as we get into our Saturday. Otherwise, current conditions, again, we have that overcast deck at 1,600 feet. Winds out of the north-northeast at 5 knots, and temperature around 73 with relative humidity at 83%. Look at the current visible satellite radar. We can see those low clouds that are locked in at the moment. Are expecting those to break up a little bit as we go throughout the morning, and we do have plenty of high cloud pushing across the area, but otherwise fairly light winds through the region. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model as we go throughout the day today, again expecting things to remain dry. Some showers popping up west of the bay, but not expecting those to make it through our area. And then as we go into the overnight hours, we'll see that disturbed weather start to move into our area, where we'll see our first chances of maybe a few sprinkles or showers in the area as we get into the late overnight and early morning hours for our Saturday. And then the bulk of the rain will start to move in as we get into the late morning and during the day for Saturday. That will continue to push through. Could see some pretty heavy rain showers with this, be scattered to more widespread rain showers and some embedded thunderstorms possible as well. So we could get a good amount of rain out of this depending on whether those heavier showers fall. And then that continues to push through the area as we get into Saturday evening, and then going through the overnight hours, we should see that starting to push southeast of the area, with things looking to be drying out by Sunday, with the exception of maybe a very slight chance of seeing a few sprinkles in the area early Sunday morning. And otherwise, Sunday should be a clearing day and fairly pleasant for the region. So take a look at the 24-hour weather risk chart. Do have those overcast skies at the moment, expecting that low layer to break up a bit as we get into the first part of the afternoon, but still remaining mostly cloudy for the afternoon. Temperatures rising up to the low 80s today, expecting a high around 82, and then we'll see those winds shift, become more southeasterly as we get into the evening, and then continuing to be southeasterly as we go through and into our Saturday. Otherwise, expected mainly dry conditions across the area today. Very slight chance of seeing a shower or thunderstorm in the region or popping up about, but not really expecting a very high chance of that. As we get into the evening, expecting a low around 72 before we'll see those chances of seeing a shower in the area start to come about after 2 local time, and then those chances will continue to increase as we get into our Saturday, and more so after the 8 local Saturday morning. So looking at the next couple days, again Saturday, another mostly cloudy overcast day, and we'll have a pretty good chance of seeing some scattered to more widespread rain showers and some embedded thunderstorms within that. We'll see the winds pick up a bit, becoming slightly breezy and then to breezy, and we could see some stronger gusts if we get some of those stronger downpours or thunderstorms in the area. So we do have that orange for precip and then yellow for the wind, chance of seeing a wind advisory as well, with those stronger gusts, as well as the yellow for lightning and reduced ceilings and visibilities. We'll see those showers linger around as we get into Saturday evening. The thunderstorm chances will likely decrease, but still a slight chance of seeing a thunderstorm in the area, so we are yellow for lightning. Otherwise, yellow for the other risk as well, as we could see continued breezy conditions with some stronger gusts. High of 79 for our Saturday with a low of 69 for Saturday evening. And as we get into Sunday, we should see things start to improve, with a starting off mostly cloudy, and then things will continue to clear as we go throughout the day. Again, the very slight chance of seeing a lingering shower early in the morning. Otherwise, a breezy day, and we do have that yellow for winds above 25 knots, as we do expect things to be breezy, and we'll have a slight chance of seeing maybe a wind advisory issued for our Sunday as well. Otherwise, a high of 80, so a nice pleasant day for the Sunday to end the weekend. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.